Mushrooms disappear before your eyes. 100-year-old aloe vera recipe that really works. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Aloe vera, a magical gift from nature. This century-old formula not only amazes doctors, but also helps thousands of people restore their nails to their original healthy and beautiful state. Wishing you good health and a day filled with love. If you are looking for a truly effective natural remedy for nail fungus, aloe vera is the green secret you should not miss. With just a few simple steps, your nails will be revived soft, clean, and healthy as if they had never been damaged. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. To make this recipe, we need 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. We pour water over the aloe vera stem. After we have poured water over the aloe vera stem, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to activate the healing properties and make the liquid inside more concentrated. Now we peel the aloe vera. We need the transparent, gel-like flesh. It is in this part that all the power of the plant is contained. Aloe vera contains more than 200 active substances, vitamins A, C, E, and group B, along with zinc, magnesium, and amino acids. It kills fungus, reduces inflammation, speeds up wound healing, regenerates skin and nails. Aloe vera has many other unique properties. It helps improve blood circulation so nutrients reach the nails faster. It creates a protective layer that prevents dirt and bacteria from entering. It boosts local immunity, helping the skin and nails fight infection themselves. Now we gently take the gel from the aloe vera leaf stem. This is the most precious part of the plant, a thick, clear gel, rich in vitamins, enzymes, and natural antibacterials. We put the fresh aloe vera gel into the cup to blend. Now beat the aloe vera gel until it forms a light foam. This helps the mixture to be more even and effective. It helps to release the healing active ingredients better, and also makes it easier to apply to the skin and nails. Carefully pour the whipped aloe vera gel into the jar. "30 milliliters of olive oil. It increases the effectiveness of aloe vera, making this remedy even more powerful. Olive oil deeply nourishes and softens the skin around the nails. It restores the nail structure and prevents peeling. Olive oil contains vitamins A, E, and K, which strengthen nails and improve blood circulation. Turmeric 1 teaspoon. This is a powerful natural remedy with amazing benefits. It improves blood microcirculation and helps nutrients penetrate into tissues faster, soothes the skin after treatment, and eliminates irritation and redness. We put the finished mixture in the refrigerator for 4 hours. Cut the aloe vera skin into medium pieces. Please comment and let me know what country you are watching the video from. I'm curious to know where you are at the moment. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. We put the shell in a bowl. ½ lemon. We cut the lemon into slices. Put the lemon in the pot. Cloves 1 tablespoon. It helps speed up cell regeneration and supports stronger, healthier nail growth. 1 liter cold water. We put the pot on the stove. Boil water for 5 minutes. Let me know if this recipe helps you. Your feedback is what keeps me going. Pour boiled water into a basin. 1 liter cold water. And here we go. Place your feet in the tub. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the active ingredients to penetrate deeply into the skin and nails. After soaking, dry your feet with a soft towel. Then apply our healing mixture directly to the nail and surrounding skin. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Wrap the toes with several layers of gauze. This will help the product penetrate better and last longer. You can keep the patch on for 2 to 3 hours. The finished mixture can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Apply every day for a week, and you will notice your nails are cleaner, stronger, and look pinker and healthier. The video ends here. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a comment below. If you find the video useful, please click like, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support me. Thank you for your support. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.